Hi team, you're not gonna believe what I just saw in the latest video feed from the rover. I was looking over the footage and I think for a split second I saw something that looked like it was moving. I've already contacted the programmers to redirect the rover back to that location. While we wait to hear back, we need to prepare for what comes next. If this really is life, this could be one of the most important discoveries in history. There is a few key characteristics we might be able to see on video. The most obvious one is movement. If this organism can move on its own, that's a really strong sign of life. We might also notice growth or change over time. And we might even be able to see some signs of it responding to its environment, like shifting position when exposed to light, or it might react to the rover's presence. Of course, we have to be careful. Some things look alive but aren't. One great example is dust. Those swirling columns of dust appear to move across Mars' surface. From a video alone, it might look like a living thing moving with purpose. But in reality, it's just wind interacting with Martian dust. Deep inside the cell, I am the powerhouse, the energy generator, the beating heart of activity. Without me, the entire system slows down, struggling to function. I take in fuel and break down into usable energy, powering everything around me. Athletes, thinkers, explorers, etc. Everything depends on me. Without my work, their bodies come to a halt. What do you think I am? One of the weirdest things about water is that it expands when it freezes. Most substances get smaller when they turn solid, but contrary to that, water does the opposite. That's why ice floats. I've seen this action every winter when I leave a water bottle outside. When the water freezes, it might break the plastic around it from expansion. If ice didn't float, life on Earth would be totally different, maybe even impossible. If you went out and you looked at it in cold climates, lakes and oceans freeze on the top. But if it did the opposite, as I was talking about earlier, the water would freeze from the bottom. This would kill entire ecosystems, wiping out fish and other organisms that rely on liquid water beneath the ice. Our planet would be much harsher for life. Thank you.